Welcome back to Opofinance. I'm Yasi. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to update your email and phone number in the Opofinance application. Whether you've got a new email, got a different phone number, or simply want to keep your account details up to date, this step-by-step guide will make the process fast and easy. So if you don't want to miss any critical detail, stay with me until the end of this video. Let's dive in. So first, open the Oppo app and log into your account. Once you're in, tap on the menu and go to Settings. And next, select Profile. Here you'll see your registered email and phone number displayed. From this section, you can update both of them with just a few simple steps. If you want to update your email, tap on the email. On the top, you'll see your current email address, of course. And in the second field, you can enter your new email address. Below that, there is a section labeled Reason. Here, you need to briefly explain why you are changing your email. And once you've entered all of those details, tap Confirm, and at the bottom of the screen, you can see this button. And then your request will be processed. And after that, your email will be updated. And if you want to update your phone number, go back to Profile section and tap on the phone number instead. The first field will display your current phone number, and after that, on the second field, enter your new phone number. Just like the email, you should also provide the reason for this change. And after filling the details, tap Confirm and your new phone number will be saved. And that's it. Updating your email and phone number in Opofinance application is that simple. If you found this guide helpful, like it and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's anything else you would like to learn about the application. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.